driving in my car. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Oh, hi. Let's pretend we're driving. But first, we have to buckle our safety belt. Here we go.
Pretend she wants to go on the stage.
I wanna see my sister. Can I go there? No, your sister is in the middle of the presentation now. You have to wait.
Okay.
She's gonna wait. Oh, she can go with you?
I can hold.
Oh, okay. No, just give her a hug and come back to the presentation. Go.
That's short nails.
Go. Sorry.
Pretend she...
Oopsie.
That's this part.
Oh.
That's this part.
Okay, go ahead.
Mommy, pretend she wants to
Go,
say I
sister.
want to go on the stage.
I wanna go on the stage.
Before it gets dark.
Pretend she wants to go on the stage.
Go.
Pretend she wants to go on the stage. Pretend she says, can I please go on the
Can I
stage,
please
Mommy?
go on the stage, Mommy? No, you can't go. But I want to go. I want to go with Priscilla. Priscilla, sister, please, let me go. I want to play too.
Driving in my car. Turn the handlebar. Speeding down
Pretend
It
she's
is not letting me go and dance. Because I want to dance like my sister.
driving on from dusk till dawn.
pretend she wants to grab my bracelet.
I want to grab my sister's bracelet. Give me that bracelet. Give me that bracelet.
Pretend you say no because
No.
she needs it.
No, because she needs her bracelet. Give me her bracelet now. I want that bracelet. Give it to me.
Pretend you say no.
No.